Today I've got something really cool for you. Take a look at this glowing panel right here. It's not just any boring WinForms panel, this one breathes with a holographic glow, almost like it's alive on your form. And the best part? We're going to build this effect from scratch in just a few lines of C# code. So stick with me until the end, because I'll walk you through the creation process, step by step, and you'll have this exact effect running in your own project. And yes, as always, the full code is available on my GitHub repo so you can grab it, test it, and play around with it immediately. Alright, let's get started. We begin by creating a new project like always. Then we add a class called my_holo_panel or whatever you like. It's easier to design your own control than you think. I'll explain it step by step after creation. Feel free to code it yourself or get the code from my GitHub repo. But don't forget, to get better, the most important thing is to code, code, code. We begin by creating a new class called my_holo_panel. This class inherits from the regular panel, so it behaves like any other panel in WinForms, but will override its paint behavior to add the glow effect. Inside the constructor, we do two important things. First, we enable double buffering. This makes sure the animations are smooth and flicker-free. Second, we create a timer with an interval of 30 milliseconds. On every tick, the timer slightly increases a value called glow offset. This offset will drive the glow animation, and then we call invalidate to refresh the panel's drawing. That's how we get the continuous glowing effect. Next comes the magic, the on-paint method. We clear the background with a solid black color to give our panel that futuristic, holographic look. Then we draw the border using a cyan colored pen. Notice that we set the pen alignment to inset, so the border stays neatly inside the panel. Finally, we create a linear gradient brush. The color of this brush changes dynamically based on the sign of the glow offset. That means the glow gently pulses from full cyan to transparent, creating that living, breathing hologram effect. We fill the panel rectangle with this gradient, and boom, the holo panel is alive. And that's the entire control, short, elegant, and powerful. So there you have it, your very own holo panel. With just a handful of lines, we turned a boring standard panel into something futuristic and alive. You can drop it into your projects right away, customize the glow speed, colors, and border size, and really make your UI stand out. The full source code is already waiting for you in my GitHub repository, so check the link in the description and start experimenting. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, because I've got way more cool WinForms magic coming your way. See you in the next video.